You've planned everything for your vacation, the flight, the hotel, the activities. But what about your plants? The thought of coming home to wilted, dried out houseplants, that's a nightmare for many of us. The good news? There are simple and effective ways to make sure your plants survive and even thrive while you are away. And here is the best part. Even if you come back and your plants look droopy or yellow, don't panic. Stick around until the very end of this video, because I will show you a few quick rescue tricks to bring them back to life. Alright, let's get started. Preparation is the key to success. No matter which method you choose, start with a little plant care. Remove yellowing leaves, trim dead flowers, and give your plants a light pruning. This reduces stress and helps them conserve water. Next, placement. Move your plants away from direct sunlight and group them together. Clustering creates mini-humid environment that slows down evaporation. Finally, water generously before you leave. Soak the soil thoroughly, but don't drown the roots. For a short trip, like a few days to 1 week, try the bathtub or sink method. Place a towel at the bottom, add a few centimeters of water, and set your potted plants on top. It works like a temporary greenhouse. Just make sure the pots aren't sitting directly in the water. Another simple trick? Mulch. Add bark chips or moss on top of the soil. This locks in the moisture and keeps the soil damp. For a medium trip, 1 to 2 weeks, use the wick method. It's a simple DIY irrigation system. All you need is a piece of string or cloth. Put one end in a container of water and the other end in the soil. The wick will slowly deliver water to the roots. Or try water bottles. Fill a plastic bottle, make tiny holes in the cap and place it upside down in the soil. Water will release gradually while you are away. For a long trip, more than 2 weeks, the best option? Ask a friend or a neighbor. Give them clear, simple instructions. Maybe even mark the water level on a bottle, so they know exactly how much to use. If that's not possible, invest in a drip irrigation system with a timer. It costs more, but it's the most valuable solution, especially if you have a large collection of plants or if you travel often. Okay, so you are back home. Here is what to do first. Check each plant carefully. If the soil is dry, water slowly and gradually. Don't flood the plant all at once. A few yellow leaves? That's normal. Just prune them off. Then return to your usual care routine and put your plants back in their favorite spots. These quick steps can help bring even tired-looking plants back to life. So let's recap. Prepare your plants before you leave. Choose the right watering method based on how long you will be away. And when you return, don't worry if your plants look a little stressed. With the right care, they can bounce back. That way, you can travel with peace of mind and still come home to a house full of healthy and happy plants. So tell me, which of these methods will you try for your next trip? Let me know in the comment. And as always, don't forget to grow your seedlings.